Okay. Let's see who is getting eliminated.
Here.
Okay. You guys are safe. And these guys are eliminated.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. Now get out of here. No.
Don't hurt us. Please. Ow.
Oh.
Our neck is bleeding.
Oh no. You're not closing. Do not close. Okay, let's see. Next up is to climb up the big tower. To climb up this. Ready, steady, go. Okay, today we're climbing up the giant box. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, whoever climbs up this will get a prize. But anyone don't, they will get eliminated. Okay, how about new level? Whoever jumps right here gets to get a prize. Go! Hey, you're so dumb! Ah!
Okay.
What? Okay, who's gonna jump first?
Hi, I'm Chris with Rolling Homes. You want to buy your house as
It's
is?
me. Let me try.
Our local team has the experience to help you out of any situation. We've seen it all.
Oh no. Ah!
No returns, pay no commissions or fees. If you're ready to sell your home as is, give us a call today for a fair, local, cash offer. Call 513.
Thomas is safe. Okay. Everyone, try jumping. Oh no! I'll try jumping. Huh? Oh no!
Your local partner for stair lifts and home safety
Oh.
solutions. Installed
Wait,
and
what are you
backed by
talking about?
people who truly care.
Okay, there's 2 of them left. But I'm still looking on my computer. Woohoo! Yes! Whoa. Four of them are safe. Okay, guys, comment who should be eliminated. Vote for who should be eliminated. Make sure to like and subscribe.